Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Do you want to recreate your videos by replacing the original background? Well, I believe that AI-powered tools are the most efficient solution, as they minimize manual editing while delivering exceptional results. In this video, I will demonstrate how easy it is to remove the video background and replace it with another using the AI capabilities of the Capcut mobile app. Let's go! Traditionally, removing backgrounds and isolating subjects in video with other editors requires meticulous object outlining, a process that can be both time-consuming and tedious. For a faster and more efficient approach, consider upgrading to Capcut's premium plan. Capcut Pro offers an advanced removal process that delivers excellent results with minimal editing effort. To give it a try, use my link below to start your free trial of Capcut Pro and get a special discount on your subscription. To get started, create a new project template and import the necessary files, including the video from which you want to remove the background and the replacement video. Once all assets are in the edit timeline, tap on the video you wish to modify. In the Video Configuration toolbar, locate the Remove BG option. Here, you have two AI-powered options. The Auto Removal mode automatically identifies and cuts out people or other prominent objects in your videos, while Custom Removal can be used for more precise control. For this mode, select Quick Brush and paint over the object you want to keep. After making your adjustments, click the check button to confirm the background removal. Once the original background is removed from your video, it's time to replace it. While the background-less video is selected, return to the main video toolbar and click Overlay. This action moves the asset down one layer so that it remains visible above the new background video. Make sure that the duration of each video is adjusted accordingly, either shortening or lengthening it to match or synchronize the desired length. Once your edits are complete, export the file to save it to your device. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions about the video or want me to create a tutorial about another topic, leave a comment below. See you next time. Bye.